This 6-year-old is finally ready to compete. His opponent is a bigger, stronger 8-year-old ram. The challenger must provoke the fight. With body kicks and tongue flicking, he taunts his opponent. The older ram seems to walk away in submission. But his posture is known as the low stretch. It means, you want a piece of me? Come get it. The force of the impact, delivered at 35 kilometers per hour, is enough to kill a human instantly. Two layers of skull protect their brains. The fight lasts for hours, each ram battering the other dozens of times.